If you've been thinking about stepping up your digital marketing game, then you are in the right place. Digital marketing is such a huge field right now, and with so many courses out there, it can be tough to know where to start. Well, if you're looking for quality content that fits your budget, Udemy is definitely a platform you should check out. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, we are going to break down some of the best digital marketing courses on Udemy, so you can find the ones that'll help you level up, no matter your skill level, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to deepen your knowledge. We've got you covered. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. So let's dive right in and see what Udemy has to offer. 1. The Complete Digital Marketing Guide. 27 courses in one. If you're looking to master digital marketing and boost your career or business, then this is the course for you. The most complete course on digital marketing brings together 27 courses into one comprehensive program. Instead of purchasing multiple courses, this all-in-one course will cover everything you need to know about digital marketing. With hands-on practical experience right from the start, you'll learn how to take your digital marketing skills to the next level in no time. What you'll learn? Throughout this course, you will learn how to create a solid digital marketing strategy, find and grow your online audience, and even build a website in just 24 hours. You'll dive deep into the world of ads, including Google and Facebook, to create campaigns that actually convert. Plus, you'll master essential tools like ChatGPT and prompt engineering, which will give you a big advantage in today's digital world. Along the way, you'll also explore email marketing, website analytics, and content strategy, giving you all the skills you need to drive traffic and grow your business online. Course features. This course is designed to be practical, with 73.5 hours of on-demand video, 40 helpful articles, and over 111 downloadable resources. You'll have access to 32 sections and 601 lectures, totaling 86 hours and 34 minutes of content. Whether you want to get hired as a digital marketing expert, freelance, or grow your own business, you'll find everything you need to succeed. Plus, with top-rated reviews from past students, it's clear that this course is trusted by many. Course requirements. This course is open to everyone, from business owners to newcomers just starting out in digital marketing. Whether you're looking to expand your skills, grow your own business, or become a freelance digital marketer, you don't need any prior experience to get started. All you need is a desire to learn and the drive to put your knowledge into practice. Why choose this course? Why settle for one course when you can get 27 in one? This course is your complete resource for everything digital marketing. It's packed with practical advice, real-world examples, and proven strategies that you can apply to your own business or career. And the best part? It's super affordable compared to a traditional degree, with endless value and constant updates. With this course, you'll always have access to the most relevant digital marketing tools and techniques. It's like having a marketing expert at your fingertips, ready to guide you every step of the way. Alright, let's talk about the next one. 2. Mega Digital Marketing Course. A to Z. 32 courses in one, plus updates. This is the ultimate digital marketing course that's perfect for anyone wanting to take their business or career to the next level. It's designed for beginners and intermediates alike, and it's packed with powerful strategies and tools that even experienced marketers can learn from. Whether you're looking to boost your online store, start a digital marketing agency, or simply make your business stand out, this course is your one-stop shop for everything you need to know. It's an exciting journey into the world of digital marketing that will equip you with both practical skills and the mindset for success. What you'll learn? Throughout this course, you'll dive deep into advanced digital marketing planning, learn how to use ChatGPT and prompt engineering for marketing, and get hands-on experience building websites and online stores without needing to code. You'll explore psychological marketing tactics to better understand consumer behavior and get pro strategies for email marketing using AI. Plus, you'll become a pro at writing copy that sells, mastering SEO to skyrocket your traffic in rankings, and managing ads on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and more. You will even learn how to create compelling content using Photoshop, Midjourney, and DALL-E. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of digital marketing, from content creation to advanced advertising strategies, all while cultivating the right mindset to succeed in business. Course features. This course is loaded with over 79 hours of on-demand video content, 25 insightful articles, and 129 downloadable resources, plus assignments and the practice test to reinforce your learning. With 52 sections and 605 lectures, this course totals more than 81 hours of practical, real-world content that will guide you from the basics all the way to advanced strategies. The course is designed with active support in mind, offering AI-assisted learning tools, a helpful Discord community, and a responsive Q&A section. This ensures that no matter where you are in your journey, you'll have the guidance and support you need to succeed. Course requirements. No previous knowledge of digital marketing is required to get started. This course is suitable for anyone, no matter where you're at in your marketing journey. Whether you're running a digital product, a physical product, offering services, or working in B2B or B2C, this course has something for you. All you need is an open mind, a hunger to learn, and a passion for marketing. Why choose this course? So, why choose this course? Simple. It's the most comprehensive digital marketing program out there. With everything you need to know in one place, you'll save both time and money compared to piecing together different courses. Whether you're looking to build your own website, improve your SEO, create ads that actually convert, or learn how to use AI in marketing, this course has you covered. Plus, the practical exercises and real-world examples ensure you're not just learning theory. You're building actual skills that will help you make an impact in the digital marketing world. This course also comes with an incredibly supportive community, so you'll never feel like you're on this journey alone. It's designed to give you the tools and mindset you need to succeed, no matter your business goals or experience level. Now, it's time to talk about the next course on this list. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. 3. The Complete Digital Marketing Course. 12 courses in one. Whether you are looking to grow your own business, start working as an affiliate marketer, or land a job as a digital marketing expert, this course is designed to give you everything you need to succeed. With over 20 hours of on-demand video, quizzes, and interactive activities, you'll be fully equipped to market a business online from scratch. It's packed with practical steps and clear instructions to help you make real progress, no matter your background. What you'll learn. In this course, you will learn how to market a business online using key digital marketing channels. You'll get hands-on experience with SEO, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Google AdWords, and Google Analytics. Whether you're running your own business or working with clients, you'll master the tools needed to drive traffic, grow your audience, and make sales. You'll also dive into copywriting to create sales pages that really work, learn the ins and outs of email marketing, and discover how to use social media platforms like Instagram, X, and LinkedIn to boost your presence. By the end, you'll know how to use all these strategies to build a strong online presence, attract customers, and boost sales. Course features. Folks, this course includes 24.5 hours of on-demand video and covers everything you need to know about digital marketing. It's split into 19 sections with 247 lectures, making it easy to follow and complete at your own pace. You'll also have access to 35 helpful articles and 8 downloadable resources that will support your learning every step of the way. The course is highly interactive, with quizzes, checklists, and practical projects in each section to make sure you're putting your knowledge into practice. Course requirements. Again, guys, there are no prerequisites for this course, making it perfect for complete beginners. Whether you have experience in business or not, this course will walk you through everything, from building a website to creating your first ad campaign. It's suitable for all types of businesses, whether you're offering digital products, physical goods, or services, and it will work whether you're a B2B or B2C marketer. Why choose this course? So, why should you choose this course? Well, it's designed to give you everything you need in one place. With 12 courses in one, you'll learn digital marketing across all major channels and gain practical experience that's easy to apply to your own business or freelance career. Plus, all the strategies and tools we cover are either free or low cost, so you won't be stuck with high expenses. This course also includes lifetime access, so you'll always have the latest updates. And with fast and friendly support, you'll never feel stuck. Whether you're a new business owner or someone looking to add high-demand marketing skills to your CV, this course is the perfect choice to set you up for success. Moving on to course number 4. 4. Ultimate 2025 Google Ads Training – Profit with Pay Per Click. If you want to drive consistent, high-quality traffic to your website, this Google Ads Masterclass is exactly what you need. This course is perfect for beginners and anyone looking to take their advertising game to the next level. You'll learn how to create and manage powerful ad campaigns, get your products and services in front of the right audience, and turn clicks into real sales. With over 218,000 happy students and thousands of glowing reviews, this course has helped business owners, freelancers, and marketers worldwide, and it can help you too. What you'll learn. By the end of this course, you will know how to run Google Ads like a pro, You'll be able to drive traffic to your website 24/7, track your results to see what's working, and adjust your campaigns for maximum impact. You'll discover how to target the right audience, remarket to people who visited your site, and make the most of Google's 6 billion daily searches. Plus, you'll dive into advanced tools like PMAX, Demand Gen, and YouTube advertising to expand your reach and grow your business even faster. Course features. This course gives you everything you need to become confident with Google Ads. You'll get over 35 hours of easy-to-follow video lessons, breaking down each part of the process in a clear and practical way. There are also helpful articles and step-by-step tutorials that show you exactly how to set up and optimize your own campaigns. Whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, you can learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. Course requirements. You don't need any experience with Google Ads to take this course. Just a business idea, website, or landing page that you want to promote. All you need is an internet connection and a desire to learn. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to improve their ad skills, this course will take you from the basics to advanced strategies. Why choose this course? This isn't just any Google Ads course. It's the highest rated one on Udemy's marketing and advertising section for a reason. The teaching style is clear, engaging, and easy to follow, making even complex topics simple and fun. Plus, the real-world tips and strategies shared here have helped thousands of businesses boost their traffic and increase their sales. If you want to finally master Google Ads and stop losing customers to your competition, this course will give you the tools and confidence to succeed. Alright guys, and finally, it's time for the last digital marketing course on my list, the Social Media Marketing and Management Masterclass 2025. If you've ever dreamed of mastering social media and turning it into a powerful tool for business, freelancing, or personal growth, this course is perfect for you. Whether you want to become a social media manager, grow your own audience, or get hired as a marketing expert, this masterclass has everything you need. It's packed with real-world, hands-on training that starts from the very first lesson, making sure you learn by doing. With over 42,000 happy students and tons of rave reviews, this course will give you the skills and confidence to succeed in the fast-paced world of social media marketing. What you'll learn. By the time you finish this course, you'll know how to create and manage successful social media campaigns across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and more. You'll learn how to build a strong brand, create engaging content, and grow an online audience that sticks around. We'll also dive into social media advertising, strategy, and performance tracking, so you will always know what's working and how to improve. Whether you want to become a freelancer, influencer, or a sought-after social media expert, this course will set you up for success. Course features. This course gives you everything you need to go from beginner to pro. You'll get over 36 hours of easy-to-follow video lessons, along with assignments, articles, and tons of helpful resources. There are downloadable templates, real-world examples, and practical exercises that help you apply what you learn right away. Plus, you'll have lifetime access to all future updates, so you'll always stay ahead of the game as social media evolves. Course requirements. No fancy equipment or prior experience is needed here. All you need is a computer, smartphone, and an internet connection. And you are good to go. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to sharpen your existing skills, this course is designed to meet you where you are and take you to the next level. Why choose this course? This isn't just another social media course. It's a complete, practical guide taught by experts who truly care about your success. The lessons are clear, engaging, and packed with real-world tips and strategies you can use right away. Thousands of students have already used this course to launch their careers, grow their businesses, and become social media pros. If you're serious about mastering social media marketing and want a course that's thorough, up-to-date, and easy to follow, you have found the one. Final thoughts. Alright guys, that's a wrap. We've covered some of the best digital marketing courses on Udemy, and as you can see, there's something for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your skills to the next level, these courses are packed with value, practical lessons, and real-world strategies you can start using right away. If you are serious about digital marketing, I definitely recommend giving one of these courses a shot. Udemy often has some awesome discounts, so be sure to check the links in the description. You might just find a great deal. Also, I would love to hear from you. Which of these courses stood out to you the most? Or if you have already taken a Udemy course, what was your experience like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every comment, and your feedback helps others figure out which courses are worth it. Feel free to check out the course-related links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, Until next time!